Hello guys, it's Brian African, your left-hand guitar trainer. Today I'll be showing you how to master your guitar fretboard and know all the notes across your fretboard. And before I start, I'd like to thank those who have subscribed to this channel, and if you have not, kindly do so that you may be able to follow up the tutorial. Let's get started. A movement between one fret to another is called a half step, and a movement from two frets in between you have a fret, so that's a 2 fret movement is called a whole step. And therefore we'll be using a major scale formula to know all the major notes. Then I'll train you on the minor notes later. So we'll be using this formula. Hope you can see clearly. I've just used the manual one, I haven't gone to the modern one, so let's use this one. C, D, E, F, G, A and B, and then C. C is just the octave. It's just where we started on guitar. Let's say we are from fret 1 to fret 12. This is the lower octave. Then from here to the 24th is the high octave. So when I say this, when we get to the B, it means we've get to the last point, so we are starting again C. Now the whole step, as you can see, is from C to D is a whole step, D to E whole step, E to F is a half step, then F to G whole step, G to A it's a whole step, then A to B whole step, B to C a half step. And then I have written below it the movement. This is basically for the guitar. So the movement, you have the 2 number represent the 2 fret, and then the 1 represent the one that I've just mentioned. The 1 fret is just, let's say, from the fret 1 to fret 2, that is 1. Then from fret 1 to fret 3, that is 2 fret movement, as you can see. Hope you've written down the formula. So let's proceed. Then we'll be using this formula to know now what we are going to play along all the frets. So already I introduced the names of the strings, like the E, A, D, G, B and C. So today we'll be using the E string. So the open E, we will start with the open E, just using this formula that I've shown you. So we said from E to F is 1 fret. E to F is 1 fret. And then from F to G, just check on the formula, F to G, it is 2 fret. Then from G to A, 2 fret. Just count the frets as we are going until we get to the last fret. Then from A to B is 2 fret. Then from B to C is 1 fret. Then from C to D is 2 fret. Then from D to E is 2 fret. Now we are done with the first octave. So what we've played here will still apply on the second octave. Now from here, this is the 12th fret will count as the 0th fret. So we will play this way. So from the fret 12 we will go straight to the fret 13. Then we go to the E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. We've gotten to the 24th fret where our E is. So you've seen we are just like cycling. When we get to C, we go back to D and then go back round as we proceed, just using this formula. Then this will apply to the all the string. I think you'll just take a pen and a pencil, then draw the fretboard on your paper, then start numbering them using this formula. You'll be numbering the frets or the notes using the formula. Like, let's say the way we've said the way we've done our E, I think you should do to all the notes. Then after you are done, just transfer them, just play them on your guitar as they are on the paper. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll meet on the tutorial that I'll be showing you how to internalize the notes in your mind and play them. Thanks for watching.